It's Cheption Mutai here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable macros on Microsoft Excel document. Stay tuned.
Are you looking for professional video production services? Request a free quote anywhere in the world on TechTubeStudio.com.
If you're new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Now, let's get right into today's video. When you open a document that requires macros enabled, you'll see this notification here saying that Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. So you will need to enable macros in order that you can use the document, or you can edit this document. But you can still edit the document and add information, but you will need to enable macros on your Microsoft Excel. So how do you do this? To get started, go to File, then go to Options, and on Options, click on Trust Center. And under Trust Center, click on Trust Center Settings, and you will see here macro settings. Click on it. You will see more macros settings here. As you can see, it is disable macros for with notifications. That is why we've seen this notification saying that macros has been blocked by Microsoft because the file is not trusted. To enable macros, click on the last part, and it says, and read the warning here, which says it's not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run. But if you trust the document like mine here, click on it, then click on OK, then click on OK again. So once you've enabled these macros, you'll be able to work on the document and render it as you need. So that is how to enable macros. To disable macros, go back again to Options, then click on Trust Center Settings, then Macros. Then now you can disable macros with notification. So each time you open a document that requires macros enable, you'll be notified under Microsoft Excel. And that is it on how to enable and disable macros on Microsoft Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care.